If your fireplace blower motor is overheating, dust buildup is probably the sneaky culprit causing all that trouble. Okay, listen up. First off, you gotta get into the habit of cleaning your fireplace blower motor regularly, like every 3 to 6 months. Dust acts like a blanket trapping heat, so use a soft brush or a vacuum with a brush attachment to gently clear out all the dust bunnies. While you're at it, check the air vents and make sure nothing's blocking airflow, because good airflow keeps the motor cool. If your fireplace blower has a filter, swap it out or clean it according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Also, try to keep the area around your fireplace clean. Dust floats everywhere and loves settling on motors. When you run the blower, listen for any weird sounds or smells. They could mean the motor is struggling from dust or overheating. If you notice any burning smells or the blower shuts down suddenly, stop using it immediately and check for dust buildup or call a pro if you're unsure. Finally, consider scheduling a professional inspection once a year to keep everything running smooth and safe. One of the biggest issues with fireplace blower motors overheating is neglecting regular cleaning, which leads to dust buildup blocking airflow and trapping heat. Fix this by setting reminders for routine cleaning. Another problem is ignoring strange noises or burning smells, which often means the motor is already stressed. Stop using it and clean out the dust or call an expert before things get worse. A third common mistake is skipping professional maintenance. Even if you're good at cleaning, pros can spot hidden problems and ensure your blower motor lasts longer and runs better. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to fireplace, blower motors, and other home repairs. For contractors, it's a solid way to get more work and grow their business by reaching people who really need help.